Okay, so that's BYU. Let's go somewhere else. So let's go to Salt Lake City. And I just put Temple Square in there. So I'm just going to hit enter because I've already done this. And so here we're going to see these 3D buildings again. One thing that you might notice is that Google Earth is pretty slow with the 3D buildings. So if I wanted to take them off, I can do that just by going over to layers and then clicking on that, and now they're all gone. So now I can see the buildings, but they're not three-dimensional. So again, if I want to get a different view, I just click on that eye. I'm going to change it. Now if I click on 3D buildings, let's watch what happens. This one is kind of cool because as we go in, you can actually go in these buildings, and most of the time there isn't really anything in there. But this one actually does have something. So here we see someone actually put in some graphics inside. So then I can take my direction, and if I want to just kind of zoom around, I can see what's inside Tabernacle. Now let's go somewhere else. Let's go to New York. So I typed it in, and it'll take us down there. So again, this is going to be a great view of all the 3D buildings. So I'm going to go in there. Just by double clicking I can zoom in. And now I want to get a different viewpoint, so I'm going to turn this, and then here you can watch all the buildings pop up. So again, this is really fun to explore. Try going to Rome, go to Paris, go to London. You can go all over the world, and you can see similar things. Another cool thing is the geography. So let's go over to the Grand Canyon. So I'm just going to type in Grand Canyon. Okay, so here we have the Grand Canyon. I'm just going to double click wherever I want to go. It'll take me in there. The cool thing about Google Earth is you can actually see the 3D terrain. So it's a great view from the bottom of the Grand Canyon. But it's fun to see the Wasatch Mountains. You can type in Ensign Peak if you want to. You can see all sorts of stuff right from where we are. But there isn't anything quite like the Grand Canyon. So again, I can kind of manipulate this. I can go around these bends in the river. That's pretty cool. So again, explore, have some fun with this. Go to Ensign Peak, go to Rome, go to Paris, and just kind of see some of these different features in Google Earth.